This is the Wonderskin lip stain in Whimsical. The shade is exactly what I was hoping for. It is soft, it is pretty, and it's so easy to wear. Basically, all I did, I'm not going to show you how to put lipstick on. You know how to put lipstick on, but I did use a few coats. That's what it looks like. I did use a few coats. I made sure to outline my lips first, which really did give it that polished, fuller look and was completely natural. I kept it on for about 30 seconds and then I wiped it right off. A couple of layers definitely gave me a perfect my lips, but even better. It stayed put. I put a little gloss on it. It stayed put beautifully all day long. No drying, no fading, nothing. It looks literally like you're wearing nothing. It's a natural kind of bee sting look. Effortless. Took me no time at all. But the Whimsical Wonderskin definitely lives up to its name. It was light, it was fresh, it's feminine. It's really the kind of shade that works for both everyday errands and dress-up evenings if you do not want to look too overdone. It looks like you're wearing nothing. I would absolutely buy this again, and I'm going to pick up some other shades.